Welcome to online class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee ma'am doing a very warm welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. Let's start our today's topic.
Today's topic is again artificial intelligence. But this time we are more interested in knowing the roots of AI, from where this concept has been originated. Let's explore. In the year 1950, the time when it was started, John McCarthy in 1955 coined the term artificial intelligence. 5 years after the concept has been derived, he coined the term, he gave the name to this concept. 1974, computers become faster and affordable. Till now, we are working with the computers only. We don't have robots or something like that, but we are trying to work and make the system work smartly. Like Deep Blue computer, you have heard about this Deep Blue computer who defeated the world chess champion. This type of system we are making. But if we bring another game to that Deep Blue computer, it will unable to proceed. In 1980, the year of artificial intelligence. Earlier, we are working with the intelligence systems and expert system. But in 1980, robotic system and much more advancement came to our concept. 2000 year boomed the concept of artificial intelligence. The phase of artificial has been divided into 3 parts. The first part, early artificial intelligence, where we are working with the systems. We are trying to make the system which can solve the problem. They can solve the complex algorithms by their own. Next, come to the phase, ability to learn without explicitly programmed. That is machine learning. Machine has the capacity to learn by their own. What kind of intelligence is this? Like once we program the machine, it will automatically learn how to perform at that particular situation. Machine has inculcated the ability to learn in this phase, machine learning. After that, the concept of deep learning came to the scenario. Deep learning break through the drive AI boom. This is the concept which is the exact replica of human intelligence. Humanoid robots, that is human based robots, we are trying to make which can do the work as the human do. So you have learned how artificial intelligence has came phase by phase. I would like to say you from the year of 1950 where the word has been coined, where the concept has been arrived, till today there is the advancement. And in this field now, there is much more scope of advancement. We are not yet achieved the developed phase. We are still developing. So many things are yet to be done in this artificial intelligence. Next, let's small discussion about since we are discussing history, so some names of the philosophers or the scientists who has given this term to us, and we are very much thankful to them. The seed of modern AI were planted by classical philosophers who attempt to describe the process of human thinking. Basically, this idea came to us that if we can think, so machine can also think. We can have a system which can think independently. Till now, we don't have. Whatever program we inbuilt, machine will work accordingly, right? In 1950, Alan Turing published a landmark paper where he speculated about the possibility of creating machines that can think. This is Alan Turing who has given this concept, machine can think, and in 19 John McCarthy gave the technical term to this thinking ability of the machine. Investment and interest in AI boomed in the first decade of 21st century when machine learning was successfully applied to many problems in academia and industry. I mean, now machine learning has been showing its real practical applications. It has been implemented in many industries. Not only that, but at your home, so many artificial intelligent machines are there that you even don't realize. Your washing machines, your microwave oven, they are all working on this concept. So now, once we have gone through the history, now it's time for a digital tour to Guwahati. I hope you will enjoy this tour. Welcome to Uruka Restaurant. I welcome you to the Uruka Restaurant. What are the speciality of this restaurant? Have a look. Enjoy this virtual trip. After that, we will discuss something. Uruka. This is in Assam, Guwahati. So what's the speciality of this restaurant? It has the practical application of AI. Look, it's very amazing to have a dinner or anything in such a restaurant where robots are serving like a human. You know the name of this robot? Palki. This Palki robot is none less than the human. Very efficiently, very effectively it serves human. So I hope you enjoy this trip. So I hope you enjoy this virtual trip to Guwahati Uruka Restaurant, where you have seen, experienced a robot is just serving like a human. Nobody can differentiate from the look, it's a robot or humanoid. So I hope you enjoy this session. Do comment, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a great day.